I just got this in the post. No, it's not drugs. It's something that I ordered from AliExpress for the car. And I'm going to open it on camera. It is a door hinge for the passenger side, as you can see. Now, I'm going to fit it on. It's black, so it's hard to see. First off, I bought it for 22 euros, so you can convert that into your own currency and see how much it costs. And I'm going to fit it on the rear passenger side, so it's the right-hand side here in Europe. And well, I'm not going to show you because I've already done a couple of videos on that, about 3 videos on how to swap hinges, but I will let you know how this works, how well it functions or not. So it's a month later, and as you can see, the new hinge mechanism is working perfectly because this door isn't trying to, eat me or smash into my shins. It will stay in place, great success, etc. 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 Anyway, what's good about this is that it's new. I bought it new, not used, and the previous one that was here was used, and I actually kept it to show you, but then I managed to lose it. And here's some footage of me fumbling about with it nearly off camera because I filmed so well. But anyway, I bought that one used from Lithuania 3 years ago, so it lasted about 3 years, give or take. Let's see how long this one lasts. These are terribly designed. So why is this poorly designed, you may ask? Well, it's because of this bottom cover, which is either upside down or just overlaps in the wrong way. This shouldn't overlap this casing, this part. This casing should overlap this, because that's not how you do things. It's not done properly. Allow me to explain why. Now, the reason for this is something that I learnt back when I was an architect. Seems like a lifetime ago. And half of our job was to stop water getting into whatever building we were designing. So I'm going to try and use a prop here. Let's imagine this is like a roof, this top part, and this is like a wall and the floor. And what you always have to do is have the top part overlap like this. Like an overbite. A very posh person with an overbite. Like that. It works, because if water then falls down, it will trickle off. It will not defy gravity and go up, in and over. What happens with the door hinge on these cars is, you see, it's like that. Like that, you see. So the water's going to trickle down, go in here, and in that case it's going to accumulate and rot to the insides, and that's what happens. So that's why these door hinges are guaranteed to fail. I myself have tried to mitigate this by drilling some holes in the bottom, and hopefully that will allow the water to drain out before it can do too much damage. I've heard people comment saying that they've added lubrication nipples. Don't know how that's done. It would be interesting to find out. So yeah, unfortunately these are not things that are well designed, which is a pity, because this was an era of PSA, Peugeot Citroën, where cars actually had a lot of quality. In my opinion, the best ever, at least for Peugeot and Citroën. Well, maybe not Peugeot, because they had the 504, and that was pretty solid. So there you go. First off, is it worth buying from AliExpress, a new one instead of a used one from Lithuania? Only time will tell. Check back in 3 years, because as I think I mentioned earlier, the Lithuanian used one lasted 3 years. So that means that the new one will have to last longer than that to be economically viable, let's say. And also hinges on C5 X7s, and I think also Peugeot 508s, but I'm not sure. The hinges are very poorly designed, because French, I suppose. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe so that in 3 years' time you'll be notified of the video where I will tell you if that investment of a new hinge was worth it or not. Also, please click on screen. I mean, you've got here, where is it here, a place where you can actually go and see merch. On the other side, more videos concerning hinges. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you in a future video. I bid you all farewell. Hopefully this will be the video that I can actually edit and put online.